There are over 20 unique features. They would be almost impossible to acquire today. My name is Robert Platz. I've been restoring Mercedes-Benz cars for about 50 years. This particular car, chassis number 510, is a 1957 Mercedes 300 SL, and it's only one of 4 made in this color. The main thing to recognize is the fact that the 57s were built at a time when Mercedes was actively racing their cars. So I wanted to option the car to make it for racing and rallying of the period that the factory would have put on your car if you paid for it. It took me about 20 years to put this all together. All these features, bullseye lights, a Halda speed pilot, Helifos spotlight. Even the wheels took me many years, and the pistons took me many years because they're factory Mahle pistons. That's one of the key things about this car. There is no reproduction parts on it. Everything is what you could have ordered back in '57.